for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
ball,
D for कौन egg D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
goat,
H for
horse,
I for
hiking,
J for
jeep,
K for L for
lion,
M for N for
nest,
O for
nest,
P for
parrot,
Q for queen
oven,
queen
queen,
R for
rabbit,
S for
song,
T for
tea,
U for eh?
ball,
U for umbrella
umbrella,
B for
ball,
ban
pear,
W for
X,
X for
ma,
Y for
apple, L,
Z for
chappa.